weeks later.
The moment of truth has finally arrived. My exhaust tips, carbon fiber exhaust tips, have finally come in. They were actually like 3 weeks late, but finally here. So let's see what they look like. Haven't even opened the package yet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is legit. This is legit. Damn. 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 Got the holes on the inside too. M series. This is an M series. Yeah. This is beautiful. Now, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the before and after when I put them on.
A few moments later.